What's up guys, Kevin from ProX here to talk about our new plain bearing connecting rod kits. Our plain bearing connecting rod kits are a line expansion of our current connecting rod kit offerings, but they utilize a plain bearing style big end bearing. Now a plain bearing style big end bearing is an automotive style bearing that does not use a traditional needle bearing and cage. Our ProX plain bearing big end bearings utilize German multi-metal technology as well as tin plating that resist wear from higher engine loads. Just like all our connecting rod kits, the connecting rod is made in Japan and is double forged from Japanese steel. It is also heat treated, barreled, and shot peened to reduce stress risers and attain the ultimate tensile strength. These plain bearing connecting rod kits come with the connecting rod, big end bearing, and the crank pin, and are available for late model Kawasaki KX250 and 450 models, as well as KTM 250, 350, and 450 four-stroke models. Visit ProX.com or contact your favorite dealer to get your OEM quality connecting rod kit for your model today.